Hello students, hope you all are healthy and welcome once again to my class. This video is for class 6 and today we will continue our revision of chapter 2 of history, that is phases of earliest society 1. Let's continue with our topic. Our topic is the discovery of fire, that how early humans discovered fire. So fire is very important for us, as we all know. Fire provides us heat and light, and it is essential for cooking and for light and for heat, different purpose. So that time also fire was very important and played a very important role in the life of early humans. Early humans already seen fire in the forest in form of forest fire. Early human ने फायर को देखा था लेकिन जंगलों में. अभी तक उनको ये नहीं पता था कि आग कैसे जलाते हैं. Now we come to know that how they discovered the fire. So once accidentally two stones rubbed. अचानक से एक्सीडेंटली दो स्टोन आपस में रब हुए, उसमें घर्षण की वजह से द फायर डिस्कवर्ड एंड फॉल ऑन द ड्राई लीव्स. फायर क्रिएट हुई, आग जली और सूखे पत्तों में लग गई. थ्रू दिस वे अर्ली ह्यूमंस डिस्कवर्ड फायर. नाउ they understood how to create fire by their own. Humans learned the uses of fire over a period of time. They kept a fire burning at the entrance of their caves to scare away wild animals. तो एक लंबे समय के बाद, एक लंबे अरसे के बाद इंसान ने सीख लिया था आग जलाना, and they learned the uses of fire. Now they learned that fire has different use also in their life. Now they kept fire, burning fire at the entrance of their caves so that wild animals cannot enter in their caves. So fire also protect them from the wild animals. And they discovered that fire is also useful in cooking food. Now they can cook food with the use of fire, with the help of fire. And fire was not only useful in cooking, but it was also helpful for them to keep them warm in the winter season. Now our next one topic is arts of early humans. That time also early humans used to do art, but they don't have any canvas, any drawing sheet to draw anything. So where they used to draw? As we know that early humans lived in caves. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं early humans कहाँ रहते थे? Caves में, गुफाओं में. So they usually used to draw on the walls of the caves. तो वो जनरली कहाँ पे ड्रॉ करते थे? गुफाओं की दीवारों पे. And why they used to draw? Means from where the idea came in their mind to draw something. So they painted to express their feelings. उन्होंने किसी डेकोरेशन के लिए आर्ट नहीं किया. They painted to express their feeling. उन्होंने पेंट किया ताकि वो अपने फीलिंग्स को एक्सप्रेस कर सके and to represent different activities such as hunting. और वो अपने जो भी एक्टिविटीज उस समय परफॉर्म करते थे उसको बता सके लोगों को. सो लाइक हंटिंग, ट्राइबल रिचुअल एंड सेरेमनीज दैट परफॉर्म बाय देम, दे यूज्ड टू ड्रॉ इट ऑन द वॉल caves. So archaeologists tell us that these paintings are not for decoration only, but they tell us about their beliefs, their practices, उनकी आस्थाओं के उनकी आस्था के बारे में, उनके practices के बारे में बताते हैं कि वो कैसी एक्टिविटीज उस समय में परफॉर्म करते थे. And some of the examples of these type of paintings are from Madhya Pradesh and Southern Uttar Pradesh. Rock shelters in Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh is famous for rock paintings. Archaeologists have discovered beautiful prehistoric rock paintings, and these paintings show scenes from everyday life. वो उनके रोज के कामकाज को दर्शाती थी, like men chasing and hunting and animals. उस समय इंसान हंटर गैदरर था, तो उनका काम क्या होता था, ज़्यादातर जानवरों को पकड़ना, उनका शिकार करना. And women grinding and preparing food, young and old people dancing. The main colors used in these paintings are red, green, white and ochre. What's the meaning of ochre? I've told you earlier also. गेरुआ रंग. तो ये सारे कलर उस समय की पेंटिंग में यूज किए जाते थे. And the paints were perhaps made by grinding various rocks and minerals till they became powder. तो उस समय कलर कैसे बनाए जाते थे, कई सारे मिनरल्स और रॉक्स को ग्राइंड करके, पीस के, उसका पाउडर बना के. And they were natural colors and they used to mix water in the powder and some sticky substance such as resin from trees. Now our next one topic is Stone Age people. But before that there is a case study given on the Deccan. So let's discuss about the case study. Different prehistoric sites have been excavated in the Deccan. तो Deccan region में कई सारे prehistoric sites खोले गए और excavate किए गए archaeologists द्वारा. And some examples of the sites are in Bhimbetka, Mahagara, Koljiva, Chiran, Barmagiri, Payampalli and Barzhum, etc. All these are characterized by discovery of stone tools such as choppers, cleavers, scrapers, etc. Large number of stone tools have been found in Hunsagi and Benchwal Valley. बहुत सारे स्टोन टूल्स पाए गए एक्सकेवेशन के दौरान हुंसगी और बेंचवाल वैली में, दैट इज द डेक्कन रीजन. हुंसगी इज कंसीडर्ड अ फैक्ट्री साइट. माना जाता है कि हुंसगी एक फैक्ट्री रही होगी जिसमें स्टोन टूल्स बनाए जाते रहे होंगे. नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज स्टोन एज. लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद दिस. So Stone Age was divided into 4 types. Stone Age को हमने 4 parts में divide किया है. The first one is tool makers, second one is fire makers, third one is Neanderthals and fourth one is modern humans. Let's continue with the first one, tool makers. As the name represents, tool makers. Tool makers also known as Homo habilis, and the word Homo habilis means skilled man. Homo habilis का मतलब ही होता था skilled man. And as the name represent, tool makers, they were the first humans who made स्टोन टूल्स. ये पहले वो इंसान थे होमो हेबिलिस जिन्होंने स्टोन टूल्स या टूल्स बनाए थे, औजार बनाए थे. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज फायर मेकर्स. फायर मेकर्स होमो इरेक्टस. द वर्ड होमो इरेक्टस मीन्स अपराइट मैन, मतलब सीधे चलने वाला या सीधे खड़े होने वाला इंसान. सो fire makers, as the name represent, they are the humans who first discovered fire, or they are the humans who first learned how to create fire. पहली बार होमो इरेक्टस ने सीखा था कि कैसे आग जलाते हैं, and the different uses of fire like cooking food and protect themselves from the wild animals with the help of fire, and keep themselves warm with the help of fire in the winter season. Now third one is Neanderthals. Neanderthals, also called Homo neanderthalensis, and they were shorter and stronger. तो ये देखने में कैसे थे? छोटे साइज के थे और बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग होते थे. And they used to live in caves. और ये कहाँ पे रहते थे? गुफाओं में रहते थे with their families. And they used to wear animal skins and fur to keep themselves warm. खुद को गर्म रखने के लिए ये एनिमल स्किन फर को पहना करते थे. Now our fourth one is modern humans. Modern humans, Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens, the word Homo sapiens means wise man. Homo sapien का मतलब ही होता है wise man, means समझदार या चतुर व्यक्ति. Wise man means knowledgeable person. So the word Homo sapien means wise man. They made art and painted rocks and walls with beautiful pictures. They had large brains and slender bodies. Here we finished our chapter. I have given you long question answers today. By chance, if you have not completed your long question answers, just complete it and go through your exercises properly for your periodic test, and don't forget to give your attendance in the comment section. Write down your name with your class and section. Thank you, class.